Welcome to your guide on starting a successful celebrity storytelling YouTube channel. If you're passionate about celebrity culture and love sharing fascinating stories, this tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to get your channel up and running. We'll cover everything from content creation to channel growth strategies, so you can captivate your audience with engaging celebrity tales. Identify your niche. Focus your content. Decide what kind of celebrity stories you want to tell. Will your channel focus on iconic celebrity moments, behind-the-scenes insights, or inspirational stories of fame and fortune? Narrowing your niche will help you attract a dedicated audience. Research your audience. Understand who your viewers are. Are they interested in current celebrities, classic Hollywood legends, or rising stars? Tailor your content to meet their interests. Create a content plan. Brainstorm video ideas. Start by listing potential video topics. For example, you could cover the rise and fall of celebrity name, top 10 celebrity scandals, or inspiring success stories of celebrities. Set a posting schedule. Consistency is key. Decide how often you'll upload videos and stick to a schedule. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, regular uploads will help you grow your audience. Scriptwriting and research. Thorough research. Dive deep into celebrity stories by reading biographies, watching interviews, and exploring credible sources. Make sure your information is accurate and well-researched. Engaging scriptwriting. Write scripts that are both informative and engaging. Use a storytelling approach to keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Include interesting anecdotes, lesser-known facts, and a narrative structure. Video production. Recording equipment. Invest in good quality audio and video equipment. Clear visuals and crisp audio are crucial for keeping viewers engaged. Editing software. Use video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free tools like DaVinci Resolve. Edit your videos to include engaging visuals, clips, images, and music to enhance the storytelling experience. Channel branding. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Your video thumbnails should be visually appealing and relevant to the content. Use bold text, high-quality images, and vibrant colors to attract clicks. Channel banner and logo. Create a professional-looking banner and logo that reflect the theme of your channel. Consistent branding across all your videos will help establish a recognizable identity. SEO and promotion. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use keywords related to celebrity storytelling in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Respond to comments and build a community around your content. Monetization and growth. Enable monetization. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, enable monetization to start earning from ads. Consider other revenue streams like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with other creators in the celebrity niche to expand your reach and grow your subscriber base. Starting a celebrity storytelling YouTube channel is a rewarding journey for those passionate about sharing captivating stories. By following these steps, you can build a successful channel that entertains, informs, and inspires. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to Cyber Theo for more tips on creating engaging content on YouTube.